The Sodor Railway, Season 2, Episode 2. Tim the Grey Mining Engine. Tim was one of the engines brought from another railway and was one of the few to work at the mines. A couple of the engines that had came to the Sodor Railway had never really worked on why the railway they were built on, and mainly just came to work on the Sodor. Tim, however, was once a passenger engine. He did have a cab window, well, a cab roof, but he no longer has it as he's a mining engine, and he was a 046, but now he's just an 020. One day, a workman came up. Tim, you need to pull these slate trucks to a quarry. Well, the station near the quarry. Okay, wait. I heard there's being a new type of mines opening. Is it the coal mines? Is that what you're talking about? It could. Anyways, you have to go to wherever your location will be. It will be some point around. Well, I'll give the map to your driver. You both can figure it out from there. Okay, and Tim began and left the mine. He hasn't had a good history with the mountain road, and many engines had to cross it to get to their location, and some of them did not like the mountain roads because of the history of there. Tim went slower as he grew worried. I hope I don't derail. Mainly it was this point's his fault. Many could say it was always faulting around there, and suddenly they switched as he went onto the siding. No! He closed his eyes, braked, and stopped on the loose parts of the rails. Oh. He slowly backed up and left. He waited for the rails to change, and they did. And Tim steamed off. As they came up to the station, his driver called out, "It's the new coal mines we're going to. Let's go there quick." Tim, "Okay, I hope I'm safe going there," said Tim. But as he came up to the next station, something terrible happened. Tim's brakes didn't work, and he began to go faster. Help me! Help me! The station master saw Tim. He saw him racing along the tracks. Tim was going very fast, faster than many of the narrow gauge engines could go. Stop! Said the station master. Help! I can't stop, said Tim. He braked hard. He then remembered his sand boxes. They were pretty much stored in his cylinders as there wasn't much room for them. He pulled them onto the rails and began to slow down. I'm slowing down, he said. Oh no, help me! And then he derailed. Oh, help me, said Tim. He hung over the old iron bridge. He closed his eyes and didn't move. His driver and fireman didn't dare move as well. his incident was just like Duke's on the beginning, at the beginning of the railway's openisation, when the railway opened and one of Duke's accidents that turned him into a tender engine. Duke came to the sheds on the station that was just before the old iron bridge. He came to these sheds because he wanted me to get away from Stuart and Falcon, who were giving him a hard time at the normal sheds. I wish Stuart and Falcon was not always complaining. At least now I'm in the sheds where they can't complain. I may take a quick nap. I think I may need it. And he did. Then the station master walked up to Duke. Duke! Yes, sir. Tim came off the line at the old iron bridge. He's about to fall. Oh my, I'm on it, sir. And Duke raced off. I hope Tim's okay when I get there. He saw, as he came into sight, he saw Tim. Oh my, said Duke. He went faster. Come on. I can do it. Tim, I'm here. Tim began to shake. It made him very unstable. Oh, Tim, here. Take 2. Take 3. Take 4. Take 5. Oh, is that enough? Is that enough? It is! Oh, hey! Tim opened his eyes. Thanks, Duke. I think I can carry on with my journey now to the coal mines. And with that, Tim tried to steam away. That's strange. That isn't meant to happen. I'll try again. It's still not working. One last try. Okay, I think my wheels are a bit broken. Oh no, said Duke. What's wrong, Duke? When you derailed, I think you damaged your wheels. My wheels? Your wheels. No way I'll get to the end of the line now. And there's Stanley. No, not Stanley. I am rolling along with these new trucks. So yes I am. I love these trucks. We don't like you. We want a proper engine, said the first truck. We want Tim or Duke, not Stuart or Falcon. You really had to disappoint my moods, didn't you? We're sorry, we just don't like being pulled by reckless engines. Oh, you're saying I'm reckless? I could move 100 miles per hour on a 1 mile per hour track and still not derail. I don't know, you're a little too narrow for the rails. What makes you say that? Well, your gauge was not made for our rails. I know that. I was in America when I first came here. I was glad I was painted into this red colour. It's much more nicer than my World War One colour, which was a grey. I know, we know. Plus, am I going to be working the coal mine? Because if I am, I'll be so happy. No, said the first truck. There's being a new engine. His name will be Jack. He's going to be just like... what was his name? Rox? Yes, Rox. He's basically Rox, but has a bigger boiler. Seriously. I had one chance on becoming a really useful engine, and it's taken out by a rock engine. Well, you know, I don't even want to pull trains anymore. I'd rather be a generator or a pumping engine, or maybe a house. Yeah, I think I'd rather be a house. Well, that has a turn of events, doesn't it, Chef? Yes, it does, Bob, said the second truck. So, Jeff, what should we do, said the first truck, aka Bob. I don't know, Bob, said the second truck, aka Jeff. Oh, right, how am I supposed to get out? I'll have to listen to you all. I'll have to listen to you for the next hour until somebody takes away my trucks. Tim had been taken back to the mine by Duke. The controller inspected him, and then after many attempts on trying to find what was wrong with him, he finally found out. Tim, we finally found out what was wrong. What's wrong, sir? Said Tim. So when you had that crash, as you were derailing, it had bounced about all your mechanisms, and it outplaced your tractions on your wheels and a bit of your axles. So now you're pretty much useless for moving. It also has put very tiny dents on your boiler and little holes and scratches, but they're not really too important, but we may have to give you a rebuild, because it could be a lot more simpler than just having to put your parts back together. I understand, sir, said Tim. But when we do rebuild you, we're going to give you a new paint job. Wait, really? Yes. How about a nice blue or orange? If anything, I'd like a grey. A grey? Then you're blending with the rocks. But then the rocks won't see me. Rocks don't have eyes. Still, the point stands. I'd rather be grey, and it would probably make me stand out than all of the other coal and then all of the other mine engines, because even though Atlas is orange, Alfred's blue, they're very mine-ish colours. Well, grey's not too much for mine colour. I suppose you're right. We'll get you grey right away. Woohoo! When Tim came back from the works, he looked a completely different engine. Whoa, this is such an amazing shape, said Tim. So it is, said the controller as he walked up. Now, I'd like you to get to work right away. Yes, sir, said Tim, and he quickly steamed into the mines. If he wants the work done right away, I'll get it done right away. This new shape also had side tanks, which was able to hold him a lot more water, which means he could do the job longer. which meant the only mine engine that needed to have a lot of water left now was Sid, as she was the only other mine engine that didn't really have side tanks. Right, steam it along, steam it along. The gunpowder trucks were heavy, but they were not too heavy for Tim. Nothing was too heavy for Tim. Steam it along, steam it along, said Tim. If he got out the mine with the gunpowder, he would be awarded, because then they know that his shape helped him and they'd probably make a whole class of him. Steam it along! This also meant Tim was appropriate to go into the mines now to explode holes in them. Steam it along! Steam it along! Tim finally came to a stop. So how was that, sir? Amazing. You may now carry on with your work. Thank you, sir. And Tim steamed off. I wonder how Stanley is. So, Jeff, did you hear about Thomas season 25 yet? Yes, I have. Oh, I hope I never have to listen to these two trucks again.